Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Hey, Allison Bob Kilmer here of Allie in the Valley. Welcome back. There's a big thing between the Impossible Burger and the Beyond Burger. Both are really good. They are plant-based burgers. So they actually look like hamburger, taste like hamburger, but they're plant-based. They ain't hamburgers. But let me just tell you, they are super duper good. I have been obsessed with them. You let me know if you like better Beyond Meat or Impossible Burger, because I'll come back and make an Impossible Burger. So let me know your thoughts. You know what to do. Leave a comment down below. Let's get started. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm doing this all on an indoor grill because, like I told you, my backyard is being built as we speak. I love my cast iron grill. It's amazing. I don't even know where I bought it. I probably bought this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's or something like that. I am going to use my everyday seasoning, you know, the essence that I have on my website. I use it for everything, for all my meat, my ribs, everything. I'm putting a little on each side, just season it. Because one thing you don't want no darn dry, nothing, not seasoned properly. But these Beyond Burgers are beyond. That's all I gotta say. All right, just like you do a hamburger, just gonna grill. They come pre-packaged. I think they're about $4 here in LA for two. They're not cheap, but they're healthy. So, and honestly, my kids really can't tell the difference. All right, let's get those going. And when we get those going, I'm also gonna put some mushrooms and some red onions on the grill just for flavor, because that's how I do it. All right, they look like they're done. Don't they look like meat? Oh my God, so good. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put vegan cheese, because if you want to stay vegan, we have vegan cheese too. Okay, so I'm still cooking some Beyond Burgers behind me. I have some right now tinted, because we always want to tint even fake meat, protein meat. So I'm gonna make my sauce. Remember the In-N-Out sauce I made for a regular traditional hamburger? I'm gonna do the same thing here. But normally I use regular mayonnaise. This time I'm gonna use Veganese, which is vegan mayonnaise. And it tastes actually really good. Now this is for all my people who are vegan. I am not vegan, let's get that straight. But I have a lot of friends that live in California, so I try to cook for everyone. Some Dijon mustard, spicy mustard, ketchup. Okay, so like any mother, I have tons of relish. Guess what? No, I don't. My kids used it all. So if you don't have relish, just take pickle juice, pour some in there, and then you can cut the pickles up too, but I'm not doing this because this is a quickie, I'll put pickles on top. This is just to make the sauce. So we're gonna make the In-N-Out sauce, which is mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, and a little relish, all mixed up together. All right, my Beyond Burgers are ready. I love a good onion hamburger bun. So I'm gonna put my sauce, that In-N-Out sauce that I wrote. Everybody likes In-N-Out. If you're not from California, when you come to LA, you gotta have In-N-Out because it's fabulous. I'm gonna make a couple. I'll make one just for now. And here is my Beyond Burger with vegan cheese. Okay. This is a damn good burger. This burger, they actually taste better than Beyond Burger. It's moist, really good. Honestly, so good, so easy to make. Beyond Burgers. If you haven't had them, and this is one place I cannot buy it at Trader Joe's. The one thing I can't buy at Trader Joe's. But if you want it, it's at every major grocery store. Super good, super healthy, great alternative to meat. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for weekly recipes. Hit the like button. Leave a comment if you want me to cook you something else. And don't forget, all recipes are at www